Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Instacart Pickup and Delivery and help you decide which one is best for you. Let's get started. First, open the Instacart app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. What is Instacart Delivery? Delivery means Instacart will bring your groceries to your door. Tap Delivery at the top of the app, enter your address, add the items you want to your cart, choose the delivery time, and then tap Checkout. What is Instacart Pickup? Pickup means you choose a time and then go to the store to pick up your order. Tap Pickup at the top of the app, choose your store, add your items to the cart, pick a time to pick them up, and then tap Checkout. Which is best? Use delivery if you are busy, you want convenience, or it's hard to go out. Use Pickup if you want to save money, you don't mind going to the store, or you want to avoid delivery fees. Before checkout, always check if there is a deal or coupon. Pickup sometimes has special offers. Also compare price between the stores before you order. And that's it. Both are good. Just choose what works best for your day. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.